Okay, so these are the ingredients for my cabbage soup. And I have stewed tomatoes. I have some bell pepper that's already chopped up. I just have to slice them a little bit more. We have garlic, tomatoes, onions, and of course the cabbage. And I do love adding collard greens. I think they taste great inside. And I'll be seasoning with some all-purpose Adoba seasoning, Cajun, garlic and parsley accent, black pepper, and add a little bit of oregano. Okay, so everything's already washed and clean. I'm just gonna chop them up and add them to the pot with some water. As you can see, the pot is pretty large. You see how large it is on the stove, and it is filled. Oh my gosh, it is filled. This is about to be a lot, but you're gonna see how much this like shrinks down once it cooks. But it looks so beautiful. Oh my gosh, all these greens. Okay, so I'm gonna add some water, and I'm gonna start letting this boil so it can start to cook. And then in the meanwhile, I'm going to chop up my vegetables, and yeah, okay. Okay, see, now that it is boiling, I'm going to add my seasonings. This is what it looks like. Hey, you want to be on YouTube? Kaya, move. Move. But yes, this is what it looks like. Trying to get a close-up, but it's steam. Okay, so let me go ahead and add the seasonings. Let me set y'all down right here. Look how beautiful that looks. So healthy and nutritious. Okay. Okay, so I'd say it's a tad bit more than halfway done. This is what it's looking like. So I'm going to add my veggies now. I said add veggies. It's all veggies. We'll add, you know what I mean, guys. It's hard to do this with one hand. Don't worry, I'm gonna scrape that out after I put the camera down. Let me see, mix this all up. Look how colorful it's looking. I think I'm gonna go ahead and add the stewed tomatoes as well. I'm still debating if I'm going to do the fresh tomatoes. I do like a lot of tomatoes, but I don't know. Let's see. So here's the stew. So I'm gonna go ahead and add that. Ooh. Normally I would add like a very hot pepper, like a habanero pepper. I'm gonna like kind of cut these up to once I have two hands that's available. But normally I do add habanero, but that it really gets real hot, you know, with the habanero peppers. So I do want to use kind of like unbearable hot because it's really quick to make this very spicy. And I kind of, well, the black pepper that I put in it kind of already tastes a little bit of spicy because I think I kind of poured a lot, but I like it spicy, so I don't mind. Let's see, I'm just going to stir it up. I'm gonna add some, also some let me get some tomato paste out because that also adds some color and a little bit of sweetness, just a tad bit. So I'm gonna get that out the freezer. Yes, I stored it in the freezer in a Ziploc bag after you open up the can. Okay, so this is some frozen, what is it called? Tomato paste that I had stored in a Ziploc bag. Focus. There we go. Alright. So this is some frozen tomato paste that I had in a Ziploc bag. I'm just going to add it in. It's going to add some color and sweetness. Let me rinse my hands first. Okay, I'm back. So just gonna let this cook, mix it up. This is what it's looking like so far. And I definitely need to add, because I had tasted, I need to add some more seasoning. So I'm gonna add some more of the all-purpose. Okay. Some more accent. This isn't really like, well, if you guys know what this is, it's not salty, it's more of like for flavor. I love this. See, it wakes up the wakes up food flavor. Okay. But I love accent. And there you have it. The cabbage soup is done. All done. How colorful it looks. Beautiful.